Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. And today we're going to be creating some beautiful Easter cookies. It's not far away, so we thought we'd get on board and give you a few ideas. Now these are perfect to make with the kids, get them involved and create something that's not chocolate to enjoy for Easter. So today we're starting with our cutter from 3 Little Bugs. This one we got in our baking box actually from the Australian Cake Decorating Network. So we'll be using this one today. So this comes with the cutter and also the impression stamp for the little bunny. Okay, so using some colour mill colours, we've got sage green, rose pink, which we've got 2 shades of, and also the yellow. Okay, so go ahead, roll out your green sugar paste and cut out the oval shape with that. And then just using a dab of water with your paintbrush, paint around the edges of your cookie and then just lay your fondant on flat. After that, roll out your pink sugar paste and cut out your bunny. Now we've also used a few different molds. We've got a few flower molds and a bow mold. Okay, so go ahead, choose whichever size and colours that you like there, and go ahead and press out some of the flowers, and then again just glue them lightly on with just some water onto your beautiful Easter bunny cookie. Now moving on to our bunny ears cookie, we've also done this in the lighter pink, and we've just used an impression mat just to give it a little bit more texture. Okay, again, then just go ahead and press out a few different shaped and different sized and different colors for your little flowers, and then glue them on with just a dab of water. Okay, so remember you can make these in any color you like. We've just chosen really soft pastels to go for this Easter. Okay, most of these products you can find readily available at Caker's Warehouse. And don't forget you can use our 10% discount just by entering the code Enchanted10 when you check out for all your online orders. Have fun, get creative, and don't forget if you're sharing your creations on socials, tag us on Instagram. We're just at #EnchantedCakes by Yvette. We'd love to see what you come up with. Have fun! Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.